Hello YouTube land! Well, in this video we're going to take a look at the E016F. Check this out, it's like a hovercraft drone thing. You know, this is for your children or grandchildren or somebody, nephew, niece, whatever, that you want to get something different and pretty cool and inexpensive. Alright, this is the box. Let me show you what comes in the box. You get this. This would be the base. Kind of looks like that, doesn't it? Yeah. So let's get rid of the box. And next I'll show you the drone. There is the drone. Look at that. It has a Lego block top because it is designed that you can attach some sort of Lego block character figure to it. It is not included. I am a bit old to have Lego blocks, so I don't have anything I can attach there to show you. But watch this. I just have to look at this carefully because I always get it backwards, which it's so well made that I can't even tell where. Here it is right here. Okay, so these will bend up. So now it's in hovercraft mode. And it can drive over dry land or water. It has 3 modes. So you have this mode, which is fly in the air like a crazy fool. Then you have this mode, which is hovercraft mode. And you also have another mode that looks identical to this, and it's water mode. So now how do you know which mode you're in? Well, it all depends on the color of this light. If this light is showing red, that would be, I am flying in the air. If it is showing green, green for grass or ground, it means I'm in ground mode. If it's showing I am blue, then I am in water mode. So I'm going to show you that now because included with this is a battery. You get this little 1-cell battery and you can pick these up anywhere. You probably have a pile of these at home from other small drones you've purchased. So you can put any sort of 1-cell battery in there as long as you have that sort of connector. I don't know if I can focus on it there. So that sort of connector, then you're all good. All right, so if I stick my battery in here, let's see, put that in there and then connect this. Hopefully I'm still in focus here. There we go. So now I'll just make sure this is my little controller up and see there's flashing and flashing. I'll move the controller stick up and down. There we go, solid, solid. So we are ready to fly. And if I move this joystick up, what? See, I can start the motors. Now, one thing you want to do before you fly it, it has to know that it's level and on the ground. So you go like this. You pull both of these. Can you see it? You pull it like that. There we go. We just told it it's level and it's on the ground and it is ready to fly. So I should be able to hover it right here on camera. Here we go. All right, a few flips. So that's basically flying it right here in this small space. Let me show you it in a larger space. Nice, 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 nice. Look at this thing go. Very easy to fly. Kids would have no problems with this. Well, I'm a big kid, so look at me, no problems. Going to my window. Now, one thing I should mention about this drone, it does have a flippy mode. Let's see if I can flip it in this tight space here. There we go, flippy mode. Nice. Come back up, bring it back to the house. Going a little crazy here, a little fast. It's pretty smash landing. The next mode I'm going to show you is the land mode. So let me change that to land mode. There we go, we should be green. So all you do is you pull these up, full up so that it's blowing the wind out. So basically in land mode, you can kind of tell what it does. It blows a little bit of wind down, but a lot of wind out the back. And then you take your little hovercrafty thing here and it will just, it's got a little hole in it so that it clicks in. There we go, we're attached. And now put that on the ground. And let me just pull this camera view out so you can see the entire thing. There we are. So let me put you over here so you can slide across. I'll see if I can drive it here. So if I drive it, there we go. So that's basically land mode. I had to keep it pretty low. If you hit one of these buttons here, you can go into circles. Watch. Click. There we go. And if you hit it again, it will go straight. You can see it goes quite fast. Let me show you it on a floor so you can see how fast it goes. Put it on the corner. Now finally the last mode in here is water mode. I'll click this. We go to blue. So pretend this is water. Let me show you, because I don't have any water here. I can put it in my bathtub, I guess. And when the water goes all out of the pool and you can't move anymore, you just put it in land mode and now I can move. Now I should mention that the E016F comes with a few other goodies. You get spare props, you get the charging connector for the battery and the manual, and I think a few other things. You're probably seeing pictures of what comes in the box right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put links below. You can find this on the Aliexpress website. It's probably on sale. There's probably a coupon. I could be wrong. I never know, because after I make the videos, I tell them it's done and I post it, then they send me the information. So check the links right below this video, someplace down here, and you'll find out where you can get this great gift for your kids, for your grandchildren, niece or nephew. A lot of fun. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.